balita ko, birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. This is Angelica, your diva artist. Enjoy your day and more auras to come. Ayan. God bless you and hope to meet you soon. Hi, it's Ayana Misola. Happy birthday. I-enjoy mo lang yung araw mo and more birthdays to come. Sana invite mo ako next time. Ayan. Happy birthday!
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Mami. Wish ka lang lagi, Mami. Ingat ka lagi dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mami. Sana po ay bigyan ka ng Diyos ng pagkatawan na masigla, malusog, at maraming birthday pang yung madadanas. Sana po ay yun pa ang yung marating. Salamat po.
Magandang tanghali, gabi, umaga po sa inyong lahat dyan, sa aking mga kapaturan dyan, sa aking pong mga kaibigan. Bago po ang lahat, nais ko po munang batiin ang ating owner ng happy birthday po sa iyo, owner, ng napakalakas at napakalapot-lapot. Ang tanging hiling lang po namin sana po dagdagan pa po ang iyong lakas ng iyong pangangatawan upang ikaw po aming makasama pa po na matagalan dito sa imo, at hindi lang po sa imo, kahit na po sa personal gusto namin kayong makasama. Happy birthday po ulit sa iyo, owner ng pangmalakasan at pangmalaputan. Ayan ang aming owner na napakaganda at napakasexy at napakayamit. Maraming salamat po sa iyo, owner, sa iyong pagtangkilik sa amin dito sa iyong munting tahanan. Sige po, maraming salamat po.
Hello everyone, good afternoon po, good morning sa ating lahat. Gusto ko pong batiin ang aking pinakamamahal at pinakamagandang Mami Kisses po. Mami, happy 49th birthday to you. Harap na maging masaya ka sa araw na to. More health, more success, and more love. Asahan mo po kung nandito lang kami ng mga anak-anakan mo sa imo na patuloy na magmamahal at susuporta sa iyo. Enjoy your day, Mami Kisses, and love you, Mama. Enjoy your day.
Ayan. Happy birthday sa iyo, Miss Honor, Mami Kiss Me. Ayan, patid, stay healthy and good health. Love ka namin. Happy birthday. Ingat!
Hello, good evening to everyone. I'm Miss Hagni. Babatiin ko lang ang aking ate. Ate Kiss Me, or Mami Kiss Me kung tawagin sa imo. Ayan. Happy birthday to you, ate. No more drama. Ayan. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. More birthday and more blessings to come. Ayan, ate. Thank you sa lahat dahil ikaw yung naging ate ko dito. Ayan. Salamat din sa ating kulitan, tawanan. Kaya sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan, ate. Ingat at alagaan ang sarili. Ayan, ate. Love you, ate.
Ayun, isang mapagpalang umaga sa ating lahat. Ayan, nais ko lang batiin ang nag-iisang mami ko dito sa mundo ng imo. Ayan, kay Mami Kiss Me. Ayan, Mi, hello. Ayan, Mami, happy birthday sa'yo, Mi. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more birthdays to celebrate. Ayan na, Mami. hangad ko ang iyong kaligayahan. Ayan na, nawa ay maipagkaloob sa iyo ng may kapal ang lahat ng iyong mga wini-wish sa buhay. Maging happy ka not only today, ayan, palagi kang maging masaya kasama ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. And syempre, ayan, may malusog na pangangatawan, healthy, yan, stay strong sa bawat pagsubok na yung pinagdaraanan mi. And once again, happy birthday, Mommy. We love you. I love you, me. Forever and ever. Love you. Mwah.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I'm scared to fly, it's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
and I know when you're hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms I feel I'm ready now.